योग चित्त वृत्ति निरोधः। शरीर की वृत्तियों का उपचार करना ही योग है। लेट्स स्टार्ट माय चैप्टर योगा एंड लाइफस्टाइल। द टॉपिक नंबर 3-4 hypertension. What is hypertension? Hypertension happens when the pressure in our system get high enough, leading to risk other body systems. It is commonly known as high blood pressure in the diagnosis of hypertension. If the rate of blood pressure reaches above 140/90, hypertension is present. The symptoms of hypertension are dizziness, head heavier, headache, chest, palpitations, nose bleeding, shortness of breath, irritation and getting irritated easily, face turning red, visual problem, disturbed sleeping, insomnia, etc. Okay. The cause of hypertension are physiological, psychological and environmental, like overweighting, obesity. High sodium salt uses, alcohol, lack of physical activity, smoking, stress, aging heredity, like the family history, gastro problems. This is hypertension. Hypertension lead to serious health problem like heart failure, heart attack. Other organs are affected like kidney, liver, unchangeable aggressive attitude, paralysis, etc. Yogic techniques are very helpful to cure hypertension, such as, okay, number 1, Tadasana. What is the Tadasana? The processing are first, Tadasana. Stand up in attention position. Lift your arm upward. Stretch your hand upward. Raise your heel and come on your toe. Also pull up your body upward. After some time, breathe out slowly and come to the previous positions. Repeat the same exercise 10 or 15 times. Benefit. Number 1, it's reduce obesity. Number 2, it's cure constipations. Number 3, it's cure digestive problem. Number 4, it improves body posture. Number 5, it alleviates sciatica. Number 6, it's cure hypertension. Number 7, cure postural problem like kyphosis, sclerosis, neck spondylitis and flat foot, and enhance their height. Okay. Contraindication. Number 1, if you have low blood pressure, you should not do this asana. Number 2, it's case of headache or insomnia, you should avoid doing this asana. Number 3, who suffer from blood circulation problem such as faulty valve should not perform this asana. Okay. Number 2 asana, Vajra asana. The processing first. What is Vajrasana? In this asana, we sit with flexed arm while hand are over knee and back straight, body is resting over the ankle. Benefit. Number 1, control obesity. Number 2, improve leg muscles. Number 3, it is a meditative pose to previous various pranayams. Number 4, cure gastric problems, flat foot and arthritis. Number 5, it's enhance memory power. Number 6, it's cure mental stress. It is helpful in curing digestive, back pain and the chest disease. Number 8, it's strength the pelvic muscles. Number 9, it's prevent hernia and give relief from the piles. Number 10, it's help in reducing hip fat. Number last, it's give relief from the constipations, acidity and increase the efficiency of the digestive systems. Contraindication. Number 1, a person suffering from the joint pain should not perform Vajrasana. Number 2, who have any spinal column problem should not perform Vajrasana. Number 3, in individuals who have some difficulty in movement should do Vajrasana with a lot of care. Number 3, Asana, Pavan Muktasana. Procedure. Lay down on your back on a plain surface. Keep your feet together and place your arm beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you inhale, bring your knees toward your chest. At the same time, press your thigh and your abdomen. Clasp your hand around the leg. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Every time you should inhale, ensure that loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll free side to side about 3 times. Okay. Benefits. Number 1 benefit, it eases the tension in lower back. Number 2, it enhances the blood circulation in pelvic area. Number 3, it's help in reducing the fat of thighs, buttock and abdominal area. Number 4, it strengthens the abdominal muscles. It also massages the intestine and organ of the digestive systems, which help in the releasing the gas and thus improve digestion. And number 5, it is a relief constipations. Contraindication. Number 1, if you are suffering from the heart problem, hyperactivity, high blood pressures, slip disc and hernia should not avoid this asana. Number 2, contraindication. Pregnant women should avoid doing the asana. Number 3, if you have abdominal surgery recently, you should avoid performing this asana. Okay. Number next asana, Ardha Chakra asana. Number 4 asana, Ardha Chakra asana for the hypertension. Procedure first. Stand straight with the both feet together. Should you hips with your hand bend backward without bending your knees. With slow inhalations. Remain in the pose for sometimes. Do it 2 or 3 times. Benefits. Number 1 benefits. It's help to make ankle, thigh, shoulder, chest, spine and abdominal strengthens. Number 2, it's relieve stress and tension. Number 3, it's improve digestion. Number 4, it's cure menstruation disorder. Number 5, it's cure pain in leg. It's 6, it's reduce fat in the waist and thighs. Next, it helps the elevate upper back pain. Number 8, it's relieve stress in the neck and shoulders. Okay, contraindication. Number 1, contraindication for the Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana, number 1 contraindication, avoid performing this asana if you have migraine, headache, low blood pressure, diarrhea and insomnia. Number 2, avoid doing this asana if you have peptic ulcer and hernia. Number 3, avoid this asana in case of hip or spinal problems. Number last, pregnant women should avoid doing this asana. Okay. Number 5 asana for the hypertension, Bhujanga Asana. This is Bhujanga Asana proceeding first. In this asana, the shape of the body remain like a snake. That is why it's called Bhujanga Asana. In a Bhujanga Asana, in order to perform this asana, lay down on the belly on ground. Keep your hand near the shoulder. Keep your leg close together. Now, straight up your arm slowly. Raise chest. Your head should turn backward. Keep the posture for some time, then get back to the normal positions. For the result, perform this asana 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Benefits. Benefits number 1, it alleviates obesity. Number 2, it provides strength and agility. Number 3, it cures the disorder of urinary bladder. Number 5, it improves blood circulations. It cures the disease of liver. It makes the vertebral column flexible and thin. It cures gas disorder, constipations and indigestions. Number last, it strengthens the muscles of hand. Contraindication. Number 1, the asana should be avoided by the individuals who suffer from the hernia, back pain, back injury, headache and recently abdominal surgery. Number 2, pregnant women should not perform this asana. So completed my hypertension topic today, and thank you very much. Best of luck.